Guys, so how does the Ranger 400 Volantex RC compare to the other one that I've got, the 787 that you guys saw me fly? Well, this one is not as stable in the air, and even though it does have a gyro, I think it's probably because of this position. You see how it's kind of pointing downwards? So I've ran into this problem a lot. I would throw it up like this, and then it would just drop like this and smash into the front, and that's why, as you see here, it's very dirty here on the bottom, and as explained before, it broke off here. So I'm not sure why so many, even the Hobby Zone planes, are so front heavy. I think that is a serious design flaw, and I'd rather have a plane that can stay up in the air longer than a fast plane. So if they're trying to put all the weight in the front to get speed, I think that's a drawback, especially if you want to bring more people into the industry. Anyway, thanks for watching. Those are my 5 cents, and I'll see you soon.